please do subscribe if you're fresh. You can join, it's $2. You can share, tell a friend. I hear Sally telling people, tell a friend to tell a friend. There's a mama in Africa cooking.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
There's a mama in Africa cooking.
So you just tell a friend to
Then
tell
that
an
friend will tell another friend. So there will be many friends
telling each other. What
Then
if you
they
just
will
leave
join.
it at that one friend?
No, you tell a friend, you look for another one, you tell.
You tell a friend,
You
you
keep
go
on
tell a
telling
friend,
friends.
and then that's it. She likes saying that. Tell a friend to tell a friend. There's a mama from Africa, Kenya.
Jumping.
Walking things,
Doing things.
running things, pulling